brightest of the bright. Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. We're here to help you find your way around the sky. With so many planets, stars, and constellations, where do you begin?
Our tip, start with the really bright stuff. We've picked for you the 5 brightest nighttime objects this winter.
Visible even from urban locations, these 5 celestial wonders are sure to capture your imagination and jumpstart your relationship with the universe.
Ready to head to the stars? Let's go.
If we're talking about bright stuff, of course we have to begin with the moon, #1 brightest nighttime object. How can you not be awed by the sight of a full moon rising above the eastern horizon? Or a thin, delicate crescent cradling the darkened orb after sunset?
Next week, the moon is best seen before sunrise. It'll be in its waning phases and will slowly move towards new moon. If we advance time day by day, we'll see a 3rd quarter moon on February 25th. That's when only the left half of the moon is lit.
The moon will continue on its path around Earth and shift every day. Here it is on the morning of the 26th and 27th.
Whoa, what's that bright thing next to the moon on the 27th?
Is it a bird?
Is it a plane?
Is it a UFO?
No, that's the 3rd brightest nighttime object. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's find the 2nd brightest thing first. Now we've shifted our view to the southeast on the morning of February 27th. The waning moon is still next to our mystery object.
Ooh, the mystery is killing me. But I see something even brighter lower in the southeast. That is the dazzling planet Venus.
Venus is so incredibly bright because the planet is perpetually covered in clouds, and these clouds reflect sunlight much better than any other planet. Venus is over 100 million miles away right now, but it's still way brighter than any star or planet visible from Earth.
The moon will get closer to Venus on February 28th, and on March 1st, the moon will be next to the ring planet Saturn, which doesn't crack the top 5 brightest objects, but it's still way cool.
And then just before sunrise on March 2nd, you can see the 2 brightest nighttime objects in conjunction, the moon and Venus. Sweet.
Now we're going back to the night of February 27th to reveal what large gaseous planet with a great red spot will be next to the moon. Oops, did I give away too many hints?
I think you may have figured out this 3rd brightest nighttime object is the planet Jupiter. There is no mistaking Jupiter's steady cream-colored glow. When you point a telescope at it, Jupiter reveals a hidden system of 4 moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. The cloud bands and great red spot can also be seen with a larger scope. To find number 4 and number 5 on our list, we just need to face south any night this week at around 8 p.m. That really bright and twinkling star is Sirius, aka the dog star.
Sirius is seriously bright, making it the 4th brightest nighttime object. The name Sirius comes from a Greek word meaning searing or scorching, and it lives up to its name since it's twice as bright as any other star in the sky.
It's called the dog star because the star marks the nose of the constellation Canis Major, the big dog.
Number 5 on our list is a yellow star named Capella.
Ah, Capella!
Capella can be found almost directly overhead on winter evenings. It's the primary star in the constellation Auriga the Charioteer.
When you observe Capella, you're really looking at a complex system of at least 4 stars orbiting each other in 2 binary pairs. Imagine having 4 suns in our sky.
There you have it, the top 5 brightest nighttime objects: the moon, Venus, Jupiter, Sirius, and Capella.
Wake up early and find the moon, Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn while you're at it.
And the stars Sirius and Capella after sunset.
And then challenge yourself to identify 5, 10, or 100 more celestial objects. The whole universe is there when you keep looking up.